Hello, happy Wednesday to everyone of us. Good afternoon. We are here to Yarmo. Same as usual to the family of Sir. I come here. Sarah. So I'm looking, wow, so the rose of Jiddo, very nice. So, nice. Meron nilagyan nila ng ayan yun o. Ayan yun. Meron tayong kamote. I'm here. I make video. Oh, you see? Ayan yung don't touch that. What's that? Ayan. Ayan yun, no? Slowly, Silen. Ayan yung kamote. Dahon ng kamote. Diba? Tama yan, diba? Dahon ng kamote. Ayan, yun yung dahon ng kamote. Ayan, diba? Yung dahon, ayan yun, ayan yun, yeah, I'm coming later. Ayan, asan yung puno niya? Yan yata yung puno niya. Ito yata yung puno niya dyan. Ito yata yung puno niya. Ayan, ito, ito yata. Ito nga. Ito yung puno niya. Grabe ang tagalewang ko. Yan yata yan eh. Yan yata yan eh. Pinaikot-ikot ni Jiddo. Sabi ko nga to, sweet potato. Purong ilaga. Lagyan ng lemon o kaya salt. Pwede na. Sarap ang ulam na. Ayun na naman yan. Dami na naman. Kasi mag-April na. Kaya lumalabas na yung bulaklak yan. Hanggang taas yan. Yung bulaklak na yan. Ito rin, no? Ang tagal na talaga. If I'm not mistaken, this one is already 6 years na. Because I'm already here 6 years. Okay. Asikaso, Jiddo. Take care, that one. Yan, no? Paborito ni nanay. Nini pag birthday. Pag graduation. With the bulaklak, with the rose. Diba yan, no? Ito, mga maliliit, Diba? Alagang-alaga talaga ni Jiddo, tsaka ni Tita. Ayan. Parang small garden, pwedeng makaupo. Ayan yung puno niya. Ayan yung puno ng bumbles. Ayan, grabe. Ang tagal-tagal na rin to. More than, almost 10 years na yata siguro to. Kasi 6 years na ako dito, ayan yung bulaklak, ayan, Ang garden to, maluwag to. Kaso nga, nandyan na yung sasakyan ni Sarah. The car of Sarah, kaya that's why. Kaya yun. Okay. So now, I can put this one soy. Para Alright. Sit down a little bit. Yes! And coffee or chai. short kasi. It's make your watch that na. Exercise. Let's make exercise. Ada min judo. Don't throw. That one is for judo.
Sama Ali. Sisi sama Ali.
Hello. How are you? Very nice and small garden. Ni tita at saka ni Chito. Diba? Asa na ba yun? Ayan din, no? Okay, so i-round natin. Okay. Ayan. Ang lit ng mga garden. Nandoon na naman yung olive, aloe vera. Binigit to. The aloe vera. Laging nandyan yung aloe vera. Aloe vera, how are you? Thank you again, nationwide, worldwide, to the different countries. To the people of this world, thank you for watching. All subscribers, all supporters, and all viewers, non-supporters, non-viewers. Ito sa Sampaguita, ito na bulaklak na mabango. Ang bulaklak yan, okay? Thank you for watching. Thank you everything that we have. Subscribe, likes, and share, and comments. Thank you. Ayan siya. It's a beautiful life. Mag-ano tayo doon sa ni Celine, ni Sarah. Sa car ni Sarah tayo. Cute na tayo na. Kakain siya eating niya. Nag-eat na siya outside. Okay, thank you again. Thank you for watching. Thank you everything that you are still supported in my channel. Thank you to all subscribers. Thank you. And say bye-bye to all of us. Mako Sansor. Mako. Yan wala pa pag namumulaklak yan. Grabe na yan bulaklak. Uy, susu. Don't touch that one. Ay, for Jido. Yeah. Thank you again. Thank you for watching. And bye.